Everyone, in this video I will show you how to set page border margin in Microsoft Word. Adjusting the page border margin is essential if your borders are getting cut off when printing or if they are just look too close to the edge of the paper. So in MS Word you can control exactly how far the border sits from the edge of the page or from the text itself. To set the page border margin, for this you need to go to the Design tab on the top menu bar, and on the far right you need to click on the page border. Click on that, and in the page and border window that pop-ups, ensure you have selected the page border, and then you need to select the style of the border. For example, I'll selecting this one. Choose the color of your choice, for example maroon, and here you can increase or decrease the width. For example, I'm selecting for 1/2 pt, and then you need to head to the click to the option, and here you will adjust the margin. And here in the margin you need to set the top, left, bottom, right margins. And from the top, for example, it is currently 24 pt. I'll be selecting 30, and from the left I'll also select the 30 pt. And then you need to head to the measure from and click on this arrow and select the edge of the page, and this is the position the border relative to the physical edge of the paper by default. And now click OK to proceed, and now click OK, and here you can see that. Moreover, if you want to select the text position of the page border, then head to the design, click on the page border, click on the options, and then head to the measure from and click on this arrow and select the text, and now click OK and click OK to apply. And here, so it has adjusted the position the border relative to your typing margin, which usually looks more professional and prevent printing issues. So this is the way you can easily set the page border margin in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.